To remove system pressure, first turn off the engine-driven pump 3, then turn off the PTU. Switch the engine 3 pump switch to off. Switch the PTU switch to off. Finally, turn off the standby generator on the electric panel as it can no longer be used. Do it. Services which use only the green system have now been lost. Loss of fluid in the yellow system. If you are losing fluid from the yellow system, again, the EDP and PTU need to be turned off, but this time the AC pump must be turned off as well. Services which use only the yellow system have now been lost. Note that the DC pump circuit is still available. Loss of engine bleed air. Loss of engine bleed air pressure to the hydraulic system is another possible problem. This is indicated by the system's air low pressure annunciator and the hydraulic warning on the central warning panel coming on. We are going to look first at all the green system. First, try to increase bleed air pressure by increasing N2 to at least 80%. If the annunciator goes out, the problem has been resolved. If not, we must turn off EDP3 to prevent pump cavitation. Do it. The PTU will now take over. It is necessary to make an entry in the technical log of PTU operation without air pressure in the reservoir because cavitation could still occur in the system. In the case of a yellow air low pressure warning, the procedure is the same, but cavitation is avoided by a boost unit within the AC pump. This ensures that fluid is delivered to the pump at a positive pressure. Turn off engine 2 pump switch. Fluid high temperature. A system high temperature warning indicates that the hydraulic fluid within the system is overheating. This would require the system to be isolated in accordance with the abnormal and emergency checklist. AC pump high temperature. This annunciator indicates that the electrical motor which drives the AC pump is overheating. In flight, the pump would continue to operate until switched off by the flight crew. On the ground, however, the pump would automatically shut down. Summary of the hydraulic system. Hydraulic power on this aircraft is provided by two independent systems, yellow and green. Each system has a reservoir of hydraulic fluid, has an engine-driven pump to power the system, supplies a number of hydraulically operated services. Backup is provided in case an EDP should fail. The AC pump provides pressure to the yellow system. The PTU provides pressure to the green system. The DC pump provides pressure for brakes and emergency gear lockdown. Yellow services. Select a service for a closer view. Green services. Select a service for a closer view. Yellow and green services. Select a service for a closer view. What services could be supplied with pressure by the DC pump? Click on the correct services. No, try again. Well remembered. Go ahead. No, try again. EDP3 has been lost, so which services have been lost? Click on the correct services. No, try again. No, try again. Congratulations! You have now completed this module.